This session will show you how to create an AIP for your students. Click your student roster, click AIP, and then select the student you wish to create the AIP for. Left-click Hold, drag the student over to the AIP. You will see 4 sections: Student Test History, Group and Intervention History, Chart and Graphs, Student AIP Profile, and Parent and Student Responsibilities. If you have students who have taken tests in our school district, you will see data that shows in Student Test History and Charts and Graphs. Similarly to other window options, this minimizes your screens, or it can maximize the screens depending on what you're wanting to do. Here you'll see 2 screens under Group and Intervention History. Page 1 of 2 shows a target group. Page 2 of 2 shows the intervention activities. You select HCCSC Intervention Plan, and you will see that it's showing and that no groups have been found. If you want the student to be created in a target group, you'll need to create the target group you would like first. To create an intervention, you go to page 2, select Intervention Activities, and click the plus sign. You will see preloaded activities that show up for the student. Select the intervention that you're creating. For this example, we'll use a behavior contract. Select Behavior Contract, Frequency and Duration. Select the Tier 2 Instruction, the start date, and the stop date you'll leave alone at this point. Click Save, and the activity will appear. Then, to keep track of the interventions, you click Note, and you can add your activity comment in the note. Chase created 3 out of 4 smiley face activities today. For this student, he had 4 different activities that he had to show whether he did well or not well. Using a smiley face activity, he was able to show 3 out of 4. Down at the bottom, you click Save, and that intervention shows the date that you entered in the comments. It is recommended to create your date entries as often as possible so it shows the accurate intervention plan. Select Close, and you'll see that the activity is there. You can add additional activities for behavior or academics. When you're finished, if you click the Maximize button again, it shrinks. So now you'll see on page 2 you have a Group and Intervention History. Page 1, remember, is a target group. Chase currently is not in a target group. There's also a section of Parent and Student Responsibilities, so you can set goals or you can create activities. To set a goal, simply select the plus sign, decide if it's academic or behavioral, set your goal. Chase will have 3 out of 4 smiley faces each day. Your last review date and your next review date. It's important to note that if you're using research-based interventions, you need to show the fidelity of the program. So here is our goal: academic or behavior, what the goal is, the instructor, the last review, and the next review date. So you have the goals and then the activities. So then you can go in and show specific activities that will occur for that goal. This is the area where you show academic and behavior plans.